rainy. Right? It's so rainy out here. So you gotta take it off, okay? Take it off. Ooh, it's kind of cold out here. Right, Daddy? It's cold, right? We'll just stay outside for a few more minutes, then we're gonna go inside, okay? It's kind of cold out here. Come on. Sorry. I don't care.